welcome to my beautiful backyard sanctuary. I am so excited that I'm finally going to share with you guys a glimpse to my backyard, which is honestly my favorite part of the entire house, believe it or not. So it's been 2 years since we bought our home, and I'm so happy that it has been 2 years since, because our backyard, my little oasis, has definitely evolved, and it has a lot of my personality. My family has been here. It's just a lot more lived in, and it really feels like our home. So I want to share with you guys where I purchased my furniture, what inspired me. The pillows that I get are always different kind of pillows. I like to change it up every summer. Not all the pillows, but like some of these I definitely got this year, but I've had this one from last summer. So now what I really love about my backyard is that, especially in the summertime, my family and I love to just have dinner outside. The weather is absolutely beautiful, and we even hung these gorgeous string lights, so at night it looks even more magical. There's so many trees everywhere. We have bought so many plants we've decorated in our own personal way. There's so many flowers, the little animals that live here. There's 2 hummingbirds that live in our backyard, and they typically come out like around 8 p.m. and Isaac and I like to watch them from his bedroom window, and he even named one the Golden Speed. So one of them has a name. It's kind of like a pet almost, but overall we just love our backyard and the little animals that live here and the trees and the plants, and just overall how it feels. It's very calming, and it's a really great place for me to come out and read a book, work on my computer even. So I really enjoy it. I would like to start with a little flashback to last year to show you guys the before, and so you can see where we're coming from. Our home got a lot of renovations, especially on the outside as well. We installed new doors and energy efficient windows, along with replacing the stucco with siding. So in the midst of all of that, our grass ended up dying completely. So what we ended up doing was having marathon grass installed. And I mean, that one thing alone changed it drastically. The original doors of the house were French doors made out of wood, so we actually had these installed in the similar style. We absolutely love the grid style, and they're really amazing and beautiful and just give a lot of character to the house. We also chose the hardware in black because all of the light fixtures and everything else is pretty much in black, so we wanted all of those exterior fixtures to match. There's this really great store near my house called Armstrong, and this is where we picked up the outdoor mats. This little sectional is one of the best investments that I made for outdoor furniture. I bought it at Pottery Barn, and I also wanted a neutral color, which is why I went with this like ivory whitish cushions, and the material is called Sunbrella, which is great because it repels water, it repels dirt, and they're really easy to keep clean. The pillows is something that you can easily change up every season at a very affordable price. I go to Home Goods because they always have a really great selection. I know it sounds like an ad, but it's not. But they really do always have a really great selection of many different colors in pillows and throws and all of that stuff. As cozy as I feel in my actual living room, I wanted to have that same feeling outside. The pergola is something that a lot of people asked me about. We bought it at Lowe's for around $500 to $600, but you definitely have to build it yourself. As you can see, my own personal style of decorating is very quirky, it's whimsical, it's colorful, it's fun, it's unique. I wanted it to feel like a fantasy, so that's why I have many different quirky little characters like frogs and flamingos and owls and bunnies, and even a little gnome that lives in a tree. And this is where we have all of our dinners. I love having an outdoor summer dinner. Even here in California, you can basically have them all year long. And yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed my backyard tour. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment if you enjoyed today's video. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you soon.